speed chases.
Have you ran from the police before?
To, well, just hi.
How much marijuana is in the car? So we're going to put you under arrest.
We've got The Rock
Yes.
and Roll
Has mercy on my soul.
right now on Speeder.
Smell it.
We're at the intersection of Santa Monica and Beverly Boulevard, and we're looking for violators against the no turn on red sign. We have a lot of violations here that could result in an accident because the car's making a right-hand turn. Okay, little white car, you see that car? That traffic doesn't have the right of way. No plates on the white list.
Go ahead.